Hello guys, Game Changers back again with another video. I know it's crazy, 2 days on the trot, but this is again thanks to the Apple ID that Mr. A has provided for us to use. You will have to do everything I do in the video exactly how I do it to actually sign into the Apple ID, otherwise you won't be able to get in. So you'll see everything that I click on you will have to do. I will explain that in a second, but again this is thanks to Mr. A. I am hiding the details. They will be in the description below, right at the bottom, for when you're ready for them, but you will need to follow all of this to be able to actually get the apps. So what we're looking at today is actually Pokemon Red and Pokemon Green for free on the App Store, which has been taken down on every other App Store, the American App Store, the UK App Store, the Philippines App Store. It's been taken down, but it's still available on the Chinese App Store, so we're so lucky that Mr. A has given us a Chinese Apple ID to be able to provide for you guys. So big shout out to him, big thanks to him. He will probably comment on the video as he did yesterday. If he does, just give him a subscribe, say thanks to him any way that you possibly can. So the two links for the apps will also be in the description. You just click on the links, it will take you straight to the download. You just download them and then you can go on and play the apps, as I will show once they install. You're just installing now. So same as the other video, when you do go onto the app, you need to not put a phone number on it, say that you're not a Chinese citizen and put no phone number. Also don't upgrade. There will be a section where it asks you to upgrade to the Apple ID. Don't upgrade it, because that will mess the Apple ID up for everyone, and Mr. A will have to go through the effort to make a new one. Even though it is probably quite easy for him to do because he knows what he's doing with this stuff, whereas I'm not 100% on it. He has provided me the Apple ID to be able to make this video. So yeah, huge shout out to him. As you can see, Pokemon Red is downloaded now. Pokemon Green is still downloading, so we're just going to go on to Pokemon Red. You want to tap the top one to be able to load into it. I do believe this one crashes on me, it don't let me press start, but all you want to do then is close out the app and then restart it, and it will work. So just bear with me a second guys. As you can see, it is all loading up. It will be in Chinese, but there's nothing wrong with that. This is for nostalgia guys. Obviously if you played them back in the day, you will remember how to start the game, how to get into the game. So yeah. So here it says push start. Obviously it wasn't working for me, so I am going to close up the app and try again in a second. So we closed out the app. We just go straight back on there. Tap the top one. I tapped the wrong one. That's my bad. So you want to tap the top one. It'll bring this up. Press the little blue button at the bottom, which is basically saying okay, and then it'll load the same as normal. And push that. That's it. As you can see, it's loading up as the game should. We've got the professor coming up. Technically not Pokemon, pretty much. As you can see, obviously it is Chinese. Japanese are not 100% more than likely Chinese App Store. I don't know how you get spelled it, but I don't think that really matters. But yeah, as you can see that is working, and then once again, as soon as the screen is downloaded, as soon as you click onto the press OK just like the last one, and this will load pretty much the same. When it comes up say push that, for the developers to actually put these things in the App Store, because they're not supposed to be on there. So I would recommend downloading this and getting on the Apple ID to get this as soon as possible, before they do get taken down or the Apple ID gets blocked. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed.